After expats have come here, they still have some questions as to whether or not they need to go to a hospital. Well, there are 3 levels of medical care here in Mexico. Level 1 are small clinics. These clinics are usually small doctor's offices, and they can address most needs. I would say 80% of your needs. The doctors can prescribe you medications for urinary tract infection, respiratory infection, or skin infection. You do not need to go to a hospital emergency room if you have a rash that you've had 3 or 4 days. Again, these are small doctor's offices, often located as standalone practices or within a group of doctors. Number 2, the secondary tier care. These are larger clinics. They may or they may not have an emergency triage area. They might have a small operating room for small, least invasive procedures such as stitching, and they may have a wide range of doctors. They may also have an ambulance that would provide you transfer to an upper tier hospital. The third tier hospital is a fully functional hospital. These hospitals tend to have emergency services, fully operational operating rooms, an ICU intensive care unit, a good number of hospital beds, could be anywhere from 10 to 200 beds, a cardiac catheterization lab, and full diagnostics such as lab, imaging, CTs, or MRIs. If you require emergency care, you're more likely to be steered or to be guided to one of these top tier level 3 hospitals. But again, this should be under the advisement of your doctor. To summarize, when choosing a hospital or hospitals, it is important to ask yourself what type of care you need versus the type of care that you want. Number 1, identify your main medical issue, okay? And which of the hospital categories and hospitals that you have access to are best at providing these care for these issues in the most efficient manner. It is also very important to take into account your financial resources as well as your insurance policies and whether or not the hospital or hospitals are affiliated with those insurances and the doctor that you are choosing. Okay? This will help you avoid many unnecessary headaches and in the long term save you a lot of time and huge savings as far as what you pay out of pocket. Thank you for listening and watching our video. And as always, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and reach out to me at info@chapalamed.com. And don't forget to visit our website, chapalamed.com.